Hi everyone. I hope you enjoy the videos I sent you from Italy, and I have another one that my daughter's compiling that I'm going to post on my channel. But in the meantime, what I'll be making for you is this is a pesto bread, and it's great as an appetizer. So let me show you what the ingredients are. I made my pesto, which you can find on my channel. There's a recipe for it in one of my videos. I have a big loaf of pane de casa, which I'm going to cut up, and I have grated mozzarella. So what you have to do is you have to slice the pane, and how you slice it is this way, and then this way, because what you're going to do is you're going to put the pesto and the mozzarella in the cracks, and then you're going to bake it, and then everybody will just pull the bread apart and eat it. It's a great appetizer. You can prepare it in advance and then put it in the oven like 15 minutes before you're ready. So I'll be back when I'm ready to stuff it. So I have the bread all cut and I have the pesto here. What I'm gonna do is take the pesto and I'm gonna put it between the slices like that. See? And you're gonna put the pesto between as many as you can. I mean, if you miss one, you miss one, but it's really tasty. And after you do the pesto, you take the mozzarella and you go like this. And I'll be back when it's all done. So I've got it all stuffed with the pesto and the mozzarella. And don't forget, I have the pesto recipe on my channel. And so it's all stuffed, and what I'm gonna do is pour a little bit more olive oil, because there's olive oil in the pesto. Oh, so delicious. Okay, then I'm gonna wrap it. Here. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about 15 or 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And when it's ready, I'll show you. Okay, so it's, woo, does it look yummy. Look at that. It's been in the oven for 20 minutes at 400. And all you have to do is, I'll show you. I'll be the first one. You take a piece of bread. Oh, it's hot. 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 It's got pesto and mozzarella. Mmm. That's delicious. I hope you try it. Don't forget the pesto recipe's on there. And please subscribe to my channel, Nanny's Italian Kitchen. Till next time.